When Susan understood that she couldn't be with Joe, she decided to sabotage the relationship. 3 days later, Susan created a plan, and for it she made 2 reservations for 2 people at a restaurant for couples. One reservation was for her and Joe, and the other was for Joe and Ashley. But it was all a trap because the first reservation was at 7 at night and the second was at 7:30, meaning that Ashley would find them together at a romantic dinner. When Joe arrived at the restaurant, he saw that Susan was the one who created the whole situation, so he sat down and told her to stop, but both began to talk as friends. In the middle of the conversation, Joe told Susan that he and his partner were going to have a child, and when Susan heard that, she realized her mistake and tried to leave the place, but Joe didn't stop talking about his life. Some minutes later, Ashley arrived at the entrance of the restaurant and saw that Joe was with another woman. So she got sad and decided to go home and leave Joe. When Susan found out it, she went to Ashley and told her the truth, and so Joe and Ashley got back together, and then they got married and had a baby.